This is what canal front living looks like in Kailua. Some homes back into the streets. This home backs up to the water. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property sitting on a 7,400 square foot lot with 912 square feet of living area. Now one thing that's very unique to Coconut Grove is that a lot of these are tract homes. So you're gonna have these original single wall construction. A lot of them are only about 3-bedroom, 1-bath and about 800, just over 900 square feet. And that's exactly what this home was. But what I really like about it is you get that natural classic Hawaii feel with the modern amenities. So as you can see in the kitchen, it's been completely opened up. You have the updated countertops, cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, under lighting cabinetry, which is a very nice touch, as well as in all the bedrooms, you're gonna have split ACs and some updated bathrooms. From mountain sunsets to a backyard built for gatherings, fishing, and relaxing, this home truly captures the Kailua lifestyle. When living in Kailua, you're going to see a lot of the homes is basically just going to be carports. Garages are very rare to see, and storage can be sometimes of a pain. But fortunately, with this property, you do have a very good sized storage here, which could be used for storing your stuff for your family, storing your surfboards, making an office, or what these guys actually used to use it for was for shaping surfboards. These are actually good friends of mine, and you can see that there's tons of space in there for pretty much anything that you're looking to do. Now, like I said, this is a good family friend of mine, big surfing family, big paddling family. And one thing that I actually thought was really cool about this shape shack, as they called it, actually called it the foam barn, is that they have this, which I think we should all live by to a certain extent. You can see here it says, "Leave better than you found it. Do not be bound by convention. Be for fun, seek true lines, and waste little to not." I think we should all live by that. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. If you guys have any questions about this property or any properties out here in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Patrick with PatrickOnlineRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.